Hi guys. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we have a custom view in Microsoft Excel. So for that, let's suppose this is a file which I'm going to create a custom view. So for that, I'll click on views, and then in this workbook views option, in this group, you have to click on custom view. So here we have to add the views that we want. So I'll just add a view and rename it. And press OK. Now let's suppose in this sheet you don't want to show clients this time. Okay, you don't want to show this column. So I'll just select this column and then right click on it and press hide. So this time this column is hidden, and I'll again click on this custom view, and this time add another one and name hide column time. Hide column time and press OK. I'll unhide it. I'll unhide it, guys. And for applying the custom view, now we have to click on custom views and then select the type, hide column time, okay, and then show. When you click on show, this column will be hidden, guys, and it's a custom view that is applied. Okay, so this was about custom view, guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.